dear students and learners. Welcome back to my channel, my master SNS. Dear students, I got a few queries from my learners. Sir, in real numbers, I have an issue in understanding Euclid's dilemma method, and they are also mentioning they are unable to understand what is polynomial. What is the exact meaning of polynomial? How to recognize whether it is polynomial or not? How to identify the degree of the given expression? Okay, how to identify whether it is a monomial, trinomial, or binomial? Okay, and they also have they are discussing about the graph in pair of linear equation in two variables. Okay, how to solve this graph? Okay, how to take the points, how to take the coordinates on x and y axis? Okay, and also they are mentioning the problems in the previous videos I discussed. They are discussing about the quadratic equations. They are discussing about the quadratic equations, mainly this word problems. Okay, they are unable to form the equations, these linear equations, and also quadratic equations. Okay, and also they are having issue in triangles, similar triangles. Okay, how to prove BPT and how to solve other problems, other theorems using BPT. Okay, and also they are mentioning the issue with coordinate geometry. You have to understand what is geometry, and you have to also understand what is coordinate. Why this chapter coordinate geometry together? How these coordinates are being used in geometry? What is the meaning of geometry? First, you understand what is geometry. Understand what are coordinates, where we use those coordinates in our daily life. Then you'll easily do coordinate geometry. And there are 50% of students are facing issue with trigonometry, applications of trigonometry. The issue is understanding, analyzing the problem. Okay, and also he shared a problem from applications of trigonometry. Yes, see, dear students, applications of trigonometry is very easy if you understand or draw the figure properly. Okay, you have to draw the figure properly by reading step by step. First, you understand the question. Many students rush to draw the diagram. No, never do that. First, you read the question once. Your time will not waste. Okay. First, you read the question properly. Understand. Imagine the diagram. First, you imagine the diagram. First time you read it. Second step, you go for the diagram. If you don't understand, again you read it. Definitely you will draw the right diagram. Until you draw the right diagram, you can't solve the word problems. Okay, and next coming to the surface areas and volumes, which we say mensuration also. So basically you have to understand what are 2D objects and 3D objects. You have to also clear with the question that do 2D objects exist, 3D objects exist on Earth? What is the main difference of 2D? What is the 2D and 3D? Where do you see 2D? Where do you draw 2D, 3D? How this 3-dimension can be measured? How a 2D figure can be converted to 3D figure? What is the axis? How to rotate it? Which shape to be revolved so that we can get some other 3D shape. This correlation is very important. If you understand this basic concept of surface areas and volumes, this what is curved surface area, total surface area, and lateral surface area, what are the main differences? You are just these very little differences, very minute differences are there. You have to understand the meanings of each and every word so that you will be able to understand the quotients and framing the given points. You have to write the given, then you have to write what to find out, and then you have to go for the application of the formula, then calculations. Okay, And also a few students are facing with very few students are facing the issue with probability and statistics. Statistics, mean, median, mode, you have to be thorough with the formula, and you have to understand like each and every alphabet in that formula, what is the abbreviation, full form of that, and everything. And coming to probability, it's very easy if you connect your if you understand deck of cards, if you understand how many sides are there for a cube, how many sides are there for a dice basically, okay, and how many sides are there for a coin. Okay, it's simple, what are possible events by total number of events. Okay, so dear students, I am here, no fear. I will explain you each and every chapter, not in depth, but whatever required to understand and remember and execute in the exam. So I will be helping you in solving all this. Okay, stay tuned. We will rock the math.